Okay, welcome back everybody. I have an unboxing video to do. Sometimes I like to do that. This is an eBay purchase. It's a watch. It's a Hamilton, a 1964 model 4002. As far as I can tell, the face on it is kind of unusual. And anyway, I just wanted to add something to the video, and I've been working on this setup for some time, and so here we go. Okay, so here we go. Let's just cut it open. I had done a lot of research on Hamilton as I waited on the watch to show up. I'm going to tell you the story. Okay, so the truth is I went quite over budget on this watch, and originally I started out with this idea that I was just going to get a $20 watch or something like that, and so I looked around and found a $50 watch. It was a maybe. And then I went on eBay, and there were a few different ones that I lost. And then so when this one came along, I got more aggressive with the money and kind of went over, but that's okay. Here we go. Let's see. It's wrapped nice, you know, regular paper wrap. But that should be good enough. Wrapped 42 times. Okay. It's supposed to be a running watch. It's a small one, but let's look at it. Okay, let's see. It's got a silver dial. This is a champion bracelet for this, so it is time period, and actually has a month scroll right here, and I haven't really looked at it. I don't know, but this is it. Yeah, that's quite nice. But vintage. The rarity of this thing, the reason I said that the watch face was unusual was because there's no 3, 6, or 9 on the numbers, which kind of makes it somewhat an explorer. But then too, you know, there's always, I think they were saving something, but there's definitely a relationship with Tesla. Andy Warhol wore a Hamilton. So I'm going to take a minute to get it wound and look at it real close, and then I'll get back with you. So this is a thin line, and so these were some of the early thin watches. Of course, Hamilton made the first wristwatch. So anyway, I'm gonna go clean it up, and I'm gonna wear it tonight, and yeah, now you get an unboxing video. A Hamilton 1964 thin line with the missing Roman numerals, but it is sharp. Yeah, sharp.